What's up, guys? So my new monitor controller just came in today, the Audient Nero. I'm really excited to try this thing out, and I thought I would do an unboxing video to see how it looks. And got this from Sweetwater. Whoops, sorry about that. I've been very excited about this monitor controller. User manual, and I'm just dropping everything. Pretty straightforward here. And we have the actual unit. Feels like there's some stuff in here. Looks like we have a power cable, power adapter in here, and some universal power adapters for international. Not sure there's anything in here. And whoa, cool. This has some pretty good weight to it. Feels like a pretty good quality piece of equipment. So I'd previously been using this Hosa, just monitor switcher. Pretty straightforward. It gets the job done. It just kind of tends to pop a little bit when you switch speakers. Sound quality, I think it works perfectly fine, but this thing just provides like way more features, like a lot more than I need. I mean, it even has talkback. Has a lot of inputs and outputs. Even has an onboard DAC, and you can go in with SPDIF for optical. So I'm very interested to try out how that sounds compared to just the analog in. Yeah, a lot of cool features. It has like 5 headphone outputs, has a subwoofer output, and a lot of stuff is programmable. So anyway, that was the unboxing video. I'm gonna try to do a full review of this unit once I really give it a test, and I'll make a new video for that. Until then, I'll see you guys then.